Basic English for beginners. Русский. English.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Good day.
Bye. Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Yes. Да. Yes. No. Нет. No. Maybe. Может быть. Maybe. Hello. Привет. Hello. Goodbye. До свидания. Goodbye. Correct. Правильно. Correct. Wrong. Неправильно. Wrong. How are you? Как дела? How are you? Good. Хорошо. Good. Bad. Плохо. Bad. Thank you. Спасибо. Thank you. Please. Пожалуйста. Please. You are welcome. Не за что. You are welcome. I want. Я хочу. I want. I understand. Я понимаю. I understand. I don't understand. Я не понимаю. I don't understand. I know. Я знаю. I know. I don't know. Я не знаю. I don't know. Of course. Конечно. Of course. Excuse me. Извините. Excuse me. Help me. Помогите мне. Help me. I'm ready. Я готов. I'm ready. Open. Открыто. Open. Closed. Закрыто. Closed. Please speak more slowly. Пожалуйста, говорите помедленнее. Please speak more slowly. Could you repeat? Не могли бы вы повторить? Could you repeat? Write it, please. Пожалуйста, напишите это. Write it, please. 1 minute. 1 минутку. 1 minute. I speak. Я говорю. I speak. I'm lost. Я заблудился. I'm lost. I need to call. Мне нужно позвонить. I need to call. I need water. Мне нужна вода. I need water. Where is? Где находится? Where is? How much is it? Сколько это стоит? How much is it? Where is the toilet? Где туалет? Where is the toilet?